back. We just finished the lemon spice and the orange spice, and that orange spice did burn me up pretty good, so I had to cool off for a bit on that one before I could really test this one. But we're here with the Scotch Bonnet, I believe is what this is. It's a beautiful pepper. I'm going to separate this one on paper towel because I actually, I buy most of my stuff from Baker's Creek, and they sent me a pack for the Scotch Bonnet, and they were sold out, only able to give me one, and the pack only had 4 seeds in it. So out of the 4 seeds, I had 1 plant survive and give me fruit. So I'm going to be harvesting the seeds out of this one too. I'm hoping they're clean, pure seeds, because I did not go through the trouble of separating them. All right, so same as before, I'm going to cut. It's got that classic, similar to Butte Jalokia, scorpion pepper, habanero. They all have a similar fragrance. My wife might taste just a little bit of this one because we do expect this to be much hotter. Man, this is one of the nicest peppers I've seen. It's actually got quite a bit of seeds, so I'm pretty happy with that.
I'm kind of a chicken, so we'll see.
Let me try and hold this without getting it all over my fingers.
Cool.
I'm going to try and get these seeds out real quick, so bear with me. I'm going to pull that placenta out without damaging it as much as possible.
That's nicely fragranced.
Oh yeah, these are beautiful smelling peppers. I feel like they're really fragrant, really nice fragrance. A little stubborn getting that one out. There's one. I am going to take this one in smaller chunks because that's just where I'm at. I'm not a pepperhead like a lot of guys. I'm just doing this for fun. And, I enjoy growing them and I enjoy cooking with them. And we're just making a little fun out of it too, doing some videos back and forth with a friend of mine, Chris Miller. He's been putting out some videos. He put one out, gave me one today where he took my Trinidad scorpion home, and he was chewing the pepper real fast and decided to eat almost a whole pepper, and man, he suffered for it afterwards, I think. All right, so I'm gonna cut you about that much. I'm going to take this first little quarter right here. So.
Oh, I'm not ready for that.
Oh, as always, in the throat. Unfortunately, I had a seed in that one. And to me, the seeds just ruin the flavor. They're just so bitter. Oh, whoa. Yeah, all right, we just stepped up. So that... Whew. Whoa. Whew, wow. I think that's a Scotch Bonnet. I'm not going to eat any more of that. Woo! Oh, buddy. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Now, I chewed that real good.
I need to go get you some milk.
No, I'm okay. Whew. That is way hotter than the habaneros I've been eating. I'm wondering if that's not a
Think that's a 7-pot?
I hope that's not my 7-pot. Ooh. Oh, I'm crying. My nose is running. Oh man, that's hot. Oh, that's worse than that piece of Butte Jalokia I ate. Oh.
Really?
Yeah, that's.
Are you adrenalizing?
Oh no, I'm good.
Okay.
Oh, that's just hurting. Oh gosh.
So not so much on the flavor, just more like somebody punching you in the mouth.
Oh, that was all in my chest. Whew. Oh. Let me make sure I got that seed all the way down. I feel like I gotta peep that seed that I got in there. Stuck in the front end of it. Oh.
Oh man. I ain't eating that.
No, I don't recommend it.
You will be my royal taste
It's seriously
tester.
hurting. Like I can feel it in my gut. Already.
You just let me know that one is not for me. Oh.
We need to make sure that that's the trend. That's the Scotch.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if I got my pepper mixed up. Oh. Oh, that's hot, guys. Oh. I'm okay. But man, I might have wanted to start with a smaller piece. I was thinking that was going to be like my habaneros. Which I was able to eat, you know, a whole one, little by little. But that's not like that. Oh man, it's hot. I'm drooling. Like my salivary glands, I can't talk too much, gonna keep swallowing my spit. The back of my tongue's on fire. It's really all on my tongue. It's not the roof of my mouth, but man, it's like the heat just went down. It's like a gut bomb. Ooh. I hope that doesn't get much worse. Now I know what Chris was talking about, that scorpion. He ate like a third. He ate like 3/4 of that Trinidad scorpion. And he chewed it real fast, so he didn't get a lot in his mouth. Oh man, I get it. And he said after he got off the video, he was on the floor just holding his gut because it was just so intense in his belly.
Oh, you're telling tales on your friend.
Oh, I am. But I'm saying that because I'm like, man, I feel like I'm getting a little taste. Like, I don't know. This is honestly smaller than the Trinidad scorpion. He did do one of my smaller ones, but
See, some of the pictures of a Scotch bonnet look like that, and some of them look a little different.
yeah, they're even on the plant they have different shaped ones. Some of them look more like a habanero.
Yeah.
If that's a Scotch bonnet, man, it blows my red habaneros out of the water. Because I can eat the whole red habanero. I ate a quarter of that pepper, and I'm on fire. Excuse me.
So it looks like the 7 pots have more of the.
Oh gosh, that's hot. That ain't no joke right there. I could have eaten that whole pepper. I would be in such misery. Just with like the nausea, it's almost like it's the gut bomb. It's almost a nausea. Damn, it just keeps coming back in waves. It literally is like, I think it's subsiding. It's like, well, let's just burn a little hotter again.
That may have been your 7 pot,
Oh
babe.
man, I'm wondering if that's my 7 pot because that was stinking hot. I thought my 7 pots were supposed to be yellow.
I'm looking at some of these pictures.
Oh, when you hold the water in your mouth, it brings some relief for a minute, but
But just for a minute.
oh gosh, that burns. That was as bad as the piece of buccioloki I ate. Now, granted, the buccioloki piece I ate was probably.
That's a picture of a 7 pot.
This has got to be a 7 pot. It's very similar. I'm wondering, guys, if I did the wrong video. That would explain why this thing. Because 7 pots, from what I've researched from the Scoville, 7 pot can be 2 million. Or I think it was like 1.9 or 1.8 million on the Scoville, where a buccioloki is like 1 million. that was a quarter of a piece, which that piece was a little bigger than the piece of ghost pepper I ate, because, I probably ate something like that of the ghost pepper, maybe a little smaller, but that was more intense. Even though it was barely bigger. It tasted okay. I'm sure I've eaten one of my Scotch bonnets, and it tasted better. The Scotch, what I thought was a Scotch bonnet, had the best taste so far. But man, that's got some burn. Whew. Oh, my belly, like it's leaving my mouth slowly, kind of. A little bit here, but man, this is all warm right now.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Okay.
All right, so I think we can go ahead and finish, because I feel like it is like I'm not sweating anymore as much. It's moved to the tip of my tongue, but it's kind of that dissipating feel. My gut's gonna be what we see what happens afterwards.
And we're not videoing that.
Yeah. Oh man. All right. Well, what I thought to be my Scotch bonnet may have very likely ended up being my 7-pot. Whew, that was hot, but it was good. A little bit of a Trinidad boot jalokia flavor, but not the best. That actually had the most bitterness to it than any of them. So, but similar fruitiness. So, all right. Thanks for watching.